Hello, children. I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here, every day, we will learn something new in a fun and interesting way. We will sing, dance, listen to stories, and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then come, join me in a dance. बच्चों, टीवी के नजदीक आ जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए।
Paper boat, sail away. Whoosh, a little here, whoosh, a little there. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Little red umbrella, don't fly away. Whoosh, no, no. Whoosh, no, no. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop. Pretty little rainbow, will you dance with me? Whoosh, a spin. Whoosh, a twirl. Pitter patter, here it comes. Everywhere we go, let's chop, chop, chop.
Children, I hope you all enjoyed the dance we just did. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहूंगी। Children, who is your favorite person? बच्चों, आपका सबसे मनपसंद व्यक्ति कौन है? My favorite person is my mother. For some of you, your favorite person may be your sibling, may be one of your parent, it may be a grandparent, it may be a friend, it may be a teacher. Children, who do you want to be when you grow up? बच्चों, आप जब बड़े हो जाएंगे, आपको किन की तरह बनना है? When I was a little girl, I wanted to be like my teacher. Why do we want to be like a teacher or maybe a doctor or maybe like some other grown up? We like to be like our teacher or like a doctor or another person that we look up to because we like them as people and like their qualities. I liked the quality of my teacher that she was kind, loving, she taught us very well. What are the other qualities that you would like to have? I would like to have the quality of being brave, being courageous. I would also like all of you little children to have this quality. So today I am going to read to you stories about two very brave children. Would you like to know their story? Then come, let's read. Children, while learning a language, it's very important to learn new words. While learning new words, it's also important to learn their meaning and try to use them in short, simple sentences. Come, let's form some simple sentences with some new words. The first word is dragged, dragged, dragged. The dog dragged the ball on the floor. The cat dragged the mouse out of its hole. Next word. Rescued, rescued, rescued. Rohan rescued a dog. Mihika rescued her little brother from the floods. Next word. Courage, courage, courage. Rohan rescued his parents. He had great courage. You must have the courage to fight your own battles. So children, what are the new words we learned today? Dragged, rescued, courage. We will come across these words in the lesson that we'll read today. Children, now that we have spoken so much about bravery, come, let's learn the story of two little children just like you and their story of bravery. आइए बच्चों, आज कहानी पढ़ते हैं दो बहादुर बच्चों की. If you have a textbook, please open to page number 32. We will be reading the lesson Young Brave Hearts. Please point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please listen to me carefully. बच्चों, अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो आपकी उंगली कुछ इस तरीके से शब्दों पर रखें और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है, मुझे गौर से सुनें. Young Brave Hearts. The Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Awards to 25 children on Friday, 24th January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day. Among these 25 children, 9 are girls and the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5-year-old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. Children, do you know what is the National Bravery Award? बच्चों, क्या आपको नेशनल ब्रेवरी अवार्ड के बारे में पता है? The National Bravery Award is awarded to citizens of India that have committed great acts of bravery. In 2013, the National Bravery Awards were announced. In 2014, on 24th January, 2 days before Republic Day, 25 children were given this award. Out of the 25 children, 9 were girls, and amongst them was 8.5-year-old Mihika Gupta. Would you like to know her story? Then come, let's read further. On June 16th, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath with her family. Suddenly, flash floods struck. The area was filled with muddy flood water. Mahika could not see her parents or relatives, but heard her 4-year-old brother crying. Mahika did not know how to swim. She was hit with stones carried by water. But bravely, she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. There, she held on tightly to her brother for hours. When she saw a light, she waved for help. After that, they were both rescued. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and that of her brother. Where is Mihika Gupta from? Mihika Gupta is from Delhi. Where were Mihika Gupta and her family? Mihika Gupta and her family were in Kedarnath. What happened on 16th of June 2013 in Kedarnath? Kedarnath was struck with flash floods. There was heavy downpour and the entire area was flooded with water. Mihika could not see her parents or her relatives. She could only hear her little brother crying. She did not know how to swim, but she made her way to her brother and dragged him to a safe place. For hours, Mihika held on to her brother and waited for help. After many hours, she saw a light and she started waving towards it. Finally, the little boy and Mihika were rescued. It is because of Mihika's courage, determination, and presence of mind that Mihika and her brother were rescued and were safe. This is why Mihika was awarded the National Bravery Award by the Prime Minister. Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. He was on his way back from school on 11th August 2012. He saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. A crowd had gathered, but they were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were 2 girls in the van. He pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. Where was Shubham Chaudhary from? Shubham Chaudhary कहाँ के थे? Shubham Chaudhary was from Maharashtra. What happened on 11th August 2012? On 11th August 2012, as Shubham walked back home from his school, he saw that a van had caught fire. A crowd had gathered to see the van, but there were people stuck inside the van, and no one from the crowd stepped forward to help them. Shubham bravely walked towards the van and tried to open the door. But the door handle was very hot. Shubham could not catch it. So he broke open the window of the van and unlocked the door. He then pulled both the girls that were stuck inside. He pulled them out of the van and saved their lives. Shubham Chaudhary was awarded the Sanjay Chopra Award for his bravery. Every year, National Bravery Awards are given to young children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring examples for other children. You can read about their acts of courage in the newspapers or on the internet. The National Bravery Awards are given to children who perform great acts of bravery. These awards are given out every year. These children are an inspiration to all the other people. Children, what does this quote tell us? बच्चों, ये वाक्य हमें क्या कहता है? What is bravery? बहादुरी क्या है? Does bravery mean we are strong and we are mighty? Bravery does not only mean that we are strong and mighty and have no fears at all. Bravery means when we may have fears, we may be scared, we may be worried, but we still keep fighting. We still keep working. We become just by performing just actions. We become brave by performing brave actions. We become just when we perform just actions. We become brave when we perform brave actions. Here, the quote means that if we perform an action, it can only then be said that we are able to do it. Being just is not easy. Being just means doing the right thing, doing the correct thing. And always doing the right thing is not easy. But if we as people are able to do what is just, only then can we call ourselves just people. The same way, if we want to call ourselves brave, we need to perform acts of bravery. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a well-known leader in Africa. He says that a man is not called brave when he has no fear at all, but a man is called brave when he conquers all his fears. When do we conquer our fears? We conquer our fears when we act despite having fears. Children, I hope you all feel very inspired now listening to the stories of Mihika and Shubham and their bravery. Children, there's a lovely little poem in our textbook. Come, let's read that together. Please open page number 31. I'd like to be a lighthouse. Children, let's read this poem. I'd like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. When sailors are on a long voyage, when they are traveling for days, the lighthouse signals to them that there is a port. If they ever need any help, like food or water or any other help, the ships know that there is a port close by and they can go there. That's why lighthouses are very important. What does the poet of this poem want? The poet would like to be a lighthouse. She would like to be awake all night and see all the things that sail by. She would want all the ships to watch her over the night. A lighthouse is a tower, building or tall structure on the seashore. From the lighthouse, big beams or flashes of light are thrown out. These beams help ships at sea to navigate, to find their way across the sea. They can tell the ships that there is a port nearby. It is safe to go near the port, or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea, etc. In days of old, modern means of communication like radio, mobile phones, internet were not available to people. Therefore, the warning signals of the lighthouse were very useful to ships. In today's age of radio, TV, the internet, satellite services, many other facilities are available to ships and aeroplanes when they travel across the sea or sky. Children, I hope you all liked today's session. I request you all to please tell Mihika and Shubham's story to your friends and family. Children, till we meet next time, please take care. Bye bye and stay safe.